Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning NFC on and off on your Galaxy Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from the bottom of your watch screen to open the Apps menu. Select Settings. In Settings, tap Connections. Scroll down Connections and tap on NFC. Tap the toggle to switch it on. When on, it will turn from grey to blue. You can now add Google Pay or whichever payment method you would like to use NFC with. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Watch tips and tricks.